Hi friends, to continue with our basics of stock market, today I brought you guys with the interesting topics. Understanding the difference between stocks and shares and understanding the difference between trading and investment. I think most of the beginners have gotten confused between this terminology. I think it is very important to understand this terminology before getting into stock market. So let me explain you what are stocks. To put it in a simple ways, collection of shares are called as stocks. For example, if I own shares, 10 shares in a company called Asian Paints, and also I own shares in Bajaj Finance Company, or and I own 50 shares in Colgate Company. So basically, I created a portfolio, which means I say that I invest in stocks. When you when you buy shares in multiple companies and you create a portfolio, and you can say I invest in stocks. When it comes to shares, when you buy shares in a specific company called as shares. Okay, I bought shares in Asian Paint Company, which means you are referring to a specific company. So when you buy stocks, when you buy shares in multiple companies called as stocks, but however when you buy a share or shares in one company, will call it as shares. I hope that I made it pretty clear with this definitions, with examples. So what is trading and investment? Let me go to the scriber and I'll show you what is trading and investment. Trading, as you know, it is okay. The difference between trading and investment. Investment and trading are two different method of attempting to make profits in financial markets as well as stock market, right? The goal of investing, when it comes to investment, the goal of investing is to gradually build wealth over an extended period of time. Basically, the investment will not happen uh, overnight, right? So let me draw this. So investment will happen, it goes like this. So when you would have invested at 10 rupees, after certain period of years, it would have then become 100, or 5 years on 10 years. So it is called as investment. You invest and you wait for a long period of time, and where you get benefited out of compounding interest. So you invest in 10, market goes down and goes up. So after certain years, when the stock is fundamentally strong, you will make good amount of returns, which is a long-term investment. Okay, let me talk about trading. What do you do with the trading? Trading is you buy and sell frequently, and there is a risk in high level of risk is involved. And in from the stock market perspective, there are three kinds of traders. One is uh, swing trader, and the second one is day trader, and third one is scalping trader. So let me tell you what is swing trader. So you see every swing here. So what trader would do is, when price goes down, they start to buy it. When price goes up, they sell it and they make profit. In the swing trade, the traders would hold the stocks for on a weekly basis for weeks. So now the weekly trader would buy a year at low price and sell it, and buy at low price and sell it. It's a short term. Buy and sell happens frequently. At the same time, when it comes to day trader, they buy it today morning and they sell it in the evening or in the afternoon. depends upon their position. So they sell it over here itself. So this happens on in a day itself, they have to close it. However, scalping trader, it happens very quickly. Within a minutes, they have to do it. So they buy here with a large quantity and they sell it in a 2 minutes. They make profits and come out of it. It's called trading. They will frequently buy and sell happens to make the profit. At the same time, there is a high level of risk. What if stocks, for example, if stock is going like this and they would have bought the stock somewhere here, and if all of a sudden if it comes down like this, then they made loss here. So always trading involves high level of risk, but if we manage our risk management, definitely we can make reasonable profits. But if you ask me which one is a better, always investment is better. At least you can hold it for quite some time with the good fundamental stocks, and you make money and come out of it. I believe I made it very clear with the trading and investment as well as shares and stocks. I hope that you guys have understood this terminology. And with that, thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video.